Hi guys, let's unbox and review Google Pixel XL smartphone. It is a 5.5-inch AMOLED LED 4th generation Corning Gorilla Glass. 534 ppi. Resolution is 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. From glass, aluminum body, particle glass back cover. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 Quadcore 2.15 GHz, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, or 128 GB ROM. It supports single nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Its operating system is Google Android 7.1. Supports OTA update to Android 9.0 Pie operating system. It has two cameras. Front camera is 8 megapixel f2.4 pixel. Rear camera is 12.3 megapixel f2.0 pixel. Its battery built-in is 3450 mAh battery, non-removable battery. Supports fast charging. It supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.2, FINGERPRINT, barometer, complex sensor. It has three colors: black color, silver color, blue color. Now, let's go into unboxing it and review it. Headphone jack. Fingerprint sensor. Let's turn it on. (12.3 megapixel camera). Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 or Quadcore 2.15 GHz. Pixel XL, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Its operating system is Google Android 9. Its battery. Here are all the sensors support. Here are all the sensors it supports. It's camera. N22 benchmark. Support Bluetooth and NFC. Here are all the languages menus it supports. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. The common pieces eject pen, menu, one pieces, the type C, both are type C. Yes, you see type C. Here is also type C USB cable. Will come one pieces type C USB cable. Type C charger. Type C charger. Will come one piece Europe converter together free. That's all. Thank you for your watching. We speak for ourselves only. We make videos only for our company, online store selling and B2B wholesaling. We will send the phone from our warehouse in China, and we have the best price. We are the distributor official of the Google Pixel XL. We are the wholesaler. So if you want to buy this phone, you can place us the order directly, and any question you can contact with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Please subscribe and follow us in Facebook pages, Instagram pages, WeChat and WhatsApp. Google Pixel XL.